Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a creamy apple cheese crumble. Sweet, cozy and so delicious. Let's make it together. First, peel the apples and cut them into thin slices, just like this. Now add sugar, cinnamon, and a little starch. Mix everything with the apples until well combined. Then set it aside. For the crust, make sure your butter is cold from the freezer. Mix flour, baking powder, and vanilla, then grate the cold butter and add ice water. Use your hands to gently knead it. Make sure the water is ice cold. Knead the dough gently. Don't overdo it, or the butter will melt. Wrap it in a flour dusted bag and chill in the freezer for 30 minutes. For the cream cheese filling, combine cream cheese, breakfast cream, starch, sugar, vanilla, and eggs. Beat everything well with a mixer until smooth and creamy. Take the dough out of the freezer. Set aside a small piece. Then roll out the rest and press it into your 20 centimeter cake pan. Perfect base ready. Now pour the cream cheese filling into the pan. Add the apples on top. If you enjoyed this apple crumble cheesecake, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and let me know what recipe you want to see next. Grate the remaining dough over them. You can also decorate with sliced almonds if you like. Place the cheesecake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 40 minutes until it's golden and set. Your apple crumble cheesecake is almost ready. Make sure your oven's top and bottom heat are on. Wow, it's amazing. After baking, let the cheesecake cool in the pan for 3-4 hours in the refrigerator.
With the love from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.